Kiddyzuzaa! Hey!
Oh, sorry.
Malice, what are you even doing here?
Well, even evil witches need to eat.
Well, it was nice to see you, Malice.
I'm sure it was. Lilliana, can you pass me an apple? Ah, my bag! Hang on. This isn't my wand. What? Whoa! Oh, Mirror, you make me so happy. Mirror, oh mirror, make my hairline thinner. What happened to my hair? Lilliana. Come on, Lilliana, cast a spell. Let's see what Malice's wand can do. Chocolate bar, turn yourself into a car. Ah, spider! Ah, broccoli! Oh, soup! Anything but soup! No, soup! I guess Malice's wand is the opposite of what I want. I need my wand back, stupid princesses, and my hair is ridiculous. Oh, I hate Malice's wand. I need to get my own wand back. Hello? Lilliana, listen. I'm going to need my wand back. Oh, definitely. I'm going to need my own wand back. You see, a witch without her wand is... Wait, what? You don't like my wand? Ugh, no. Well, that's because you're bad at magic. Ugh, listen, let's swap wands. Deal? Deal. Ugh, calm down, Esme. It's just soap. Hi, Malice. Blah, 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 blah. Here's your wand back. Ah, it's nice to have my wand back. Now, let's try this again. Mirror, oh mirror, make my hairline thinner. No, it's the wrong wand. Video game, make myself win again. No! I've lost my diary. What's that? Where am I? Is that? My scrunchies! I've been looking for these. Whoa! Whoever lives here sure likes Fruit Loops. And pizza! Grapes! All my favourites! Wait! Aren't you going to clean those up? Clean! So this is inside the sofa.
It is. Recognize me?
No.
Are you sure about that?
I'm pretty sure I'd remember meeting a talking sock.
Ha! Let me take you back to a time long, long ago.
Esme, I'm back. A long time ago. That was last weekend.
A moment is like a lifetime down here.
Hang on. How did you learn to talk?
Can't you tell? This place is magical.
If only I could magically find my diary.
You mean this diary? Not so fast, Esme. You can have your diary back. But I want something in return first.
Okay, anything. What do you want?
A companion. It gets pretty lonely down here. Socks were made to be in pairs, you see, and I am alone.
Aw, that would be so cute. If only you weren't a horrible old stinky sock.
I'm glad that you recognize my stinkiness. And for that reason, young Esme, you must find me a sock friend so stinky, so unbelievably smelly, honging so...
Okay, I get the point. You want a smelly sock. And I think I know just the foot to get it from.
You're back. Did you find what I requested?
I did.
Bring it to me.
And now?
Yes, your diary. It was a pleasure doing business with you.
Likewise. Thanks. Wait. Do you have a name?
No, I'm a sock.
Right. Oh, my lucky coin! Okay, who's first to show and tell? Me! Malice? Not likely. Me. How about you, Olivia? Me. Yes. So today, I brought in my magical voice changer. How does it work? Well, you just point it at someone and it makes them sound silly. Look!
Hey, stop pointing that thing at me.
Very funny. I mean, very nice, Olivia. Who's next? Me! Aha! Isabella! So I decided to bring my magical scarf. Magical scarves? What's next? Magical hair ties? Oh, I have those too. Wow, that's awesome! I think you mean stupid, Lilliana. Not as stupid as that fake magic wand you brought in last week. And with a simple flick, it turns anything you want into ice cream. Yeah, well, it's not as bad as the time you... Wow, Malice, your memory's as bad as your wand. Are we quite done? Now, Isabella, show us what your magic scarf can do.
Oh, it doesn't do anything. It's just magically beautiful.
Okay then. Aha, Lilliana. So today, I brought in my special screwdriver. But really, it's a magical wand. Just give it a swish.
Mrs. Zuzaa, do something!
Sure. Oh, Malice, why don't you go next? So I bought my terrifying pet spider, Timothy.
Boring.
That's not even a real spider. I think he's cool, Malice. If Esme thinks it's cool, it must be really boring. Okay, Esme, go on. Oh, okay, princesses. Right, princesses and witch. Class dismissed. Oh, man. I wish it would stop raining. I like the rain. It gives me time to work on my inventions. Could you invent something to make the rain go away? Well, I can't make the rain go away, but I can take us to where it isn't. Huh? All done. Here, watch this. Are you ready? Wah, wah, wah! Pretty cool, huh? This is Esme's room! But, where's Esme? Ah, follow me.
Oh. Hey. Grape?
How did we guess you'd be here?
Today was, grape inspection day. I was just making sure all our grapes were, tip-top.
Sure you were, Esme. Come on, Olivia, let's go.
Make sure you clean all your grapes.
This is so fun, Lilliana. Where are we going to next? Lilliana? What's wrong? Something's wrong with the controls. I can't control the destination anymore. Uh-oh, that means we could end up anywhere. Yep, even Malice's tower. Oh, hello, what marvelous timing. How so? You're just in time for me to test my new slime gun. I need a target. Hold still. Huh? Phew. Lilliana, let's go! Oh, we can't. The remote's broken. Give it here. Ah, Lilliana, you had it on Get Trapped by Malice mode. Oh. Oops. Why did you even build that into the remote? Less questions, more escaping. Come on, let's escape the rain once and for wrong. Ha-ha! This is more like it. Not a drop of rain in sight, nor a drop of malice in sight.
Good afternoon. Grape Inspector. Hand them over, please.
What a good morning. Took Timothy for a nice long walk. Didn't I, Timothy? Clean my room. Oh! Ugh. Oh. And it's still only the morning, which means plenty of time for my favourite pastime, princess pranking. An eye mask. Planning a pamper day? An eye mask and a cabbage? Pamper day plus cabbage? A snack? Or is cabbage a good exfoliator? Or a moisturiser? An oar? What are they doing in there? I've got to get a closer look. Well, if I can't see what they're up to, I might be able to hear what they're up to. Oh, what are they doing in there? Aha! I have to know what they're doing. I have to know what's going on in there. It's driving me crazy. There's got to be something more sturdy around here to stand on. This wasn't here before. I swear. I just don't understand. An eye mask, a cabbage, and an oar. An eye mask, a cabbage, and an oar. Where is she off to? What's going on here? What's going on here?
Oops, sorry, Malice.
Yeah, sorry, Malice. You just interrupted our spell practice. Spell practice? Yeah! We set up an oar as some kind of catapult. Then we load it up with a vegetable of our choice. blindfold ourselves, to make things interesting. Unleash the target and fire a spell! You okay, Malice?
Yeah, sorry about the mess, Malice. Hazard of spell practice, you see. You wanna go?